Imagine your car telling its own 4K quality story effortlessly. Front and rear 4K cameras capture every angle, every moment. 170-degree ultra-wide lens sees 6 lanes, not just one. f1. 5 front aperture brings light. f1. 8 rear reveals details. Super Starlight Night Vision turns dark roads into clear footage. WDR enhances colors. Low light clarity perfect for accident evidence. Pre-installed 128GB card, plug and record immediately, worry-free. Supports up to 512GB for long trips and extensive storage. Loop recording keeps footage continuous. Old files overwritten intelligently. G-Sensor locks collision clips automatically, preserving critical evidence. Need instant lock? One touch button secures emergency videos fast. Ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi transfers videos to your phone instantly. Free to run Soul app gives remote control, firmware updates, downloads, share high-res clips on social media or with insurance quickly. Built-in GPS stamps videos with speed, route and direction. View live speed and compass on the 3-inch IPS screen. Review GPS tagged footage on Windows or Mac with GPS Player. 2 4-hour parking monitoring uses time-lapse to watch your parked car. 1 frame per second preserves long footage with low power. G-Sensor triggers and locks events even when vehicle is parked. Easy installation. Stick, connect, and start recording within minutes. Comes with car charger cable. Type-C cable available separately. Requires 5V, 3A power stable supply for uninterrupted recording at all times. Robust build +1. 8-month warranty and 24/7 support included. Compact 3-inch IPS screen shows playback and live camera views. Dual-channel simultaneous 4K recording means no blind spots anymore. Creative idea. Use rear camera as evidence recorder for parking neighbors. Unexpected highlight. Download clips in seconds with high-speed Wi-Fi. Imagine replaying a collision with precise speed and GPS overlay. Manual lock, G-Sensor, GPS triple protection for your driving stories. Perfect for commuters, families, rideshare drivers, and fleet managers. Protect memories. Prove the truth. Grab your Terran Soul dashcam. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yes, the link to the dashcam is in the description. Drive safe, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video.